Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. Windstorm Elite Deck Boat Covers by Eevelle are a high-end line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America and rated #1 in customer satisfaction. Windstorm Elite covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They're made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Windstorm Elite Deck Boat Covers are manufactured with Sunflair marine-grade fabric and are designed to withstand extreme marine conditions. Sunflair fabric is a 9.25-ounce solution-dyed acrylic. It is breathable, waterproof, and has a UV coating to provide years of outstanding performance. Sunflair covers are available in a variety of vibrant, long-lasting colors. Windstorm Elite Boat Covers come with a 10-year warranty. All Windstorm Elite covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. Windstorm Elite Boat Covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. Windstorm Elite Boat Covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Windstorm Elite Series covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. Windstorm Elite Deck Boat Covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with Sunflair marine-grade fabric, designed to provide years of quality protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.